Hi, this is the NOKIA C01 Plus and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. Open first the Settings app and then tap to Network and Internet. Here you'll see Wi-Fi switcher. To activate Wi-Fi auto turn it off, you should click to the switcher. After the activating of the Wi-Fi option, you'll see here all of the available networks. Just select one from the networks. And okay, for example, now we could see that we are connected to this network. We could forget it, disconnect it, or to share with this password with someone. For example, when you'll forget, after that, the next time you should one more time enter the password. So to connect to the network, here tap on it and enter the password. Then just tap to connect button, wait a second. Okay, I just think that I make the mistake, maybe. Okay. You got here the show password checkbox, so you could click here to checkbox to check the mistakes, for example. Then just tap to connect, wait a second, and we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. I don't know why we got here the limited connection, so you could use the other networks also here by the same way, enter the passwords, connect to them, and after that just you could switch between the networks. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.